Hi everyone, welcome back to another PMS tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mark a room as clean in the PMS once a guest has checked out. So here's the scenario. A guest checks out, and the room status in the system automatically changes to dirty. This lets housekeeping know it's time to clean before the next guest arrives. Let's walk through how to update that status after the room has been cleaned. First, head over to the housekeeping section in the PMS, then click on room preparation. Here, you'll see a list of all the rooms currently marked as dirty. To mark a room as clean, just select the room, click on Proceed, fill in the required details like cleaning time or staff name, and then hit Mark as prepared. And that's it. The room is now marked clean and ready for the next check-in. Super simple, right? If you run into any questions or need help using PMS, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to support you. Make sure to check out our other tutorials in the description below for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.